For today's main course, we recommend preparing wine powdered lasagna. Cut up a medium-sized red onion into tiny pieces. Fry the onions in a preheated pan with butter. Once the onions start releasing their aroma, add the ground meat. Add mixed spices. Start making the sauce. Add some butter in a preheated pan. Once it melts, add flour. When the flour starts frying, add milk and mix. Add salt in the already frying ground meat. Add pepper too. Add salt to your sauce as well. Grate some cheese in a large bowl. Once the meat is fried, add wine and tomato sauce. Mix. Coat a layer of butter on the surface of a rectangle pan. Add the white sauce as a first layer. Coat with a layer of lasagna. Then put the ground meat mixture over the lasagna. Coat a layer of the grated cheese over the meat. Add a layer of the white sauce over the cheese. Repeat the layering process until the pan is filled up. Bake in oven for 40 minutes at 410 Fahrenheit. Once the lasagna is done, take out 2 pieces and serve them on a plate. Decorate with ketchup, cabbage leaves, and endive. Decorate with cherry tomatoes as well. The estimated time you'd need to prepare this dish is about 80 minutes. Bon appetit!